Yes, we are catching the sunset at Ammos Kambouri Beach. Nice little sandy beach, a little bit secluded from the overcrowded beaches in the middle of Ayia Napa. But it's quite nice, and it has sandy part as well as the rocky part over here that I'm in right now. And this is the 6th different beach I visit today, and that not including the 3 exotic spots I was on, like the Bridge of Lovers, 2 episodes, and the secret sea caves also. So this is definitely probably the 9th episode for today, and I'm gonna also explore on the other side later, because it is written on the Google Maps that it is a naked beach. So I'm gonna check that one out. But first, I'm gonna check it out here with the most beautiful sunset, Ammos Kambouri Beach. Check out the sunset on the slippery rocks over here. But there is a sandy entrance over there as well. And it looks quite amazing. And you know me, that I am used to these kind of rocks in Sweden. So this is not a problem for me at all. I am well trained from Sweden and the beautiful rocks over there. All right, then I have the beach in the back, and we are then ready to dive in. It's beautiful, and I see some sand over here. Yep, that is sand that I'm standing on right now. A little bit hard, I mean larger type of sand. And this is probably one of the few locations where you can get a nice sunset view, actually, because most of this coast in the Ayia Napa and Rotoras is facing either south or east. But this looks quite like a nice sunset view. And you can see also the beach from here. All right, it's time for another fact about Cyprus, and that's that Cyprus is the only foreign country that celebrates the royal wedding, the British royal wedding, I need to say, and that is mainly because they are a British colony, or they used to be before 74 or something. All right. Quite nice to catch the sunsets over here in the last ray of sunshine, and I think that this rock formation over there looks very intriguing. I'm gonna let you enjoy more in the sunset that is coming up quite soon. It is 6:10 p.m. right now, you know. Alright, time to wrap up for this episode from Ammos Kambouri, if I'm not completely mistaken now. But yeah, nice little beach that I visit towards the end of the day. Today, 1st of September. Right now it is 28 degrees Celsius in the air, much warmer in the sea. So thanks for watching, and see you soon again with another beach adventure from Cyprus on my channel, Beach Adventures with Chris!